So from J.J. Thomson's experiment, he found that uh, in the CRT beam, the particles that were ejected are the same regardless of the material that was used for the cathode. Okay? And the mass of these particles, based on J.J. Thomson and Millikan's experiment, was found to be 9.11 times 10 to the negative 31 kilograms, which is much, much lighter than the lightest known element, lightest known atom, which was hydrogen. So based on these, they were able to conclude that whatever these particles were that came off the cathode in the cathode ray tube, they must be present in all the atoms. So they must be smaller than any atom, so they must be part. It makes sense that they will all be part of an atom. So we now call these particles electrons. Okay? So that led to what is now known as the plum pudding or the raisin pudding model of the atom. Before J.J. Thomson's experiment, atoms were thought of as just structureless spheres, Dalton's model. Dalton's model basically says you have one indestructible sphere in an atom. Okay, so the atom is just an indestructible sphere that you can't cut any further. With J.J. Thomson's discovery of electrons, they now imagine atoms to be positively charged spheres that have negatively charged electrons embedded in them. So here's a figure of a sphere with negative electrons embedded in it, just like you have plums in a pudding. Okay, there's a video on YouTube. If you click on that link there, if you go to that link there, starting at around the 3-minute 20-second mark of the video, you have a description of the plum pudding model.